Look at this belt. It is absolutely pure class in my opinion. I think Suitsupply has delivered. I've been looking for a more classic / vintage inspired belt, and I think I found it. This belt is made from full grain Italian leather, and small detail like this chrome buckle and the 1-inch height make it a very casual and dressy option. However, I do have a problem with this belt, and that is that it doesn't come in a more versatile color, let's just say. So let's see if we can fix that and hopefully not ruin it.